Hi, this is Zhihao. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Genia. A lot of our customers have asked us, do you support Revit? Yes, we do. And today I want to show you how we can design a single family house by using Revit-based architectural drawings. All right, so this is our website, and let's go ahead and log into our account. So as before, you can just put your email address and your password in order to log in. And once you're in the dashboard, you can go ahead and hit the top right corner to create a new project. So as before, we're going to use low-rise timber structures, roof trusses, and floor joists. All right, I'll go ahead and create a project. And here, instead of uploading an architectural drawing in DWG format, we're going to use a Revit-based architectural drawing. All right, since in the Revit file, there are well-defined walls, doors, windows, architectural components like that. So we're going to simplify the architectural modeling steps. So I'll go ahead and hit the continue button. As before, we're going to enter the project name. And we need to input the address. All right, as before, we're inputting our company office address in Los Angeles. As you may notice, we're no longer requiring the number of floors because since we're taking Revit, a 3D model as the input, we're able to intelligently parse through the drawing and understand the area for each of the floor. So I'll go ahead and hit the continue button. So as before, we're gonna select the best kind of codes that will meet the jurisdiction requirements. Since this one is in California, I'm using IBC 2024 as the basis, site class D, exposure category C, and then I'll hit continue. And as before, we're going to review the environmental loading factors. To start off, we're reviewing some of the seismic and wind parameters. Here are the configurable gravity loads for both live loads and dead loads. As before, we can definitely change some of the parameters from 30 to 40 for live load, for example. And you can review the breakdown of dead loads and decide whether you want to add a new item or not. Right, so as before, we're seeing some of the soil bearing pressures, deflection limits, and the type of materials allowed. Hopefully by this point you're familiar with all of these configurations by far. And as before, we're going to go for option one. This is the most optimal shear wall calculation methods that involves FTAO and perforated calculation approach. Right, so I'll go ahead and hit the next button on the top right corner. And what's really different this time is that we're going to programmatically read through the architectural model in 3D, and you'll get a chance to review the architectural modeling that we ingest, as well as the floor plan that we're able to create. So here, for example, this is a one-story single-family house for ADU in this case. You'll be able to see, this is the bottom floor with all of the walls. And here are the roof lines, right? This all looks good, and I can go ahead and hit the continue button. Just as before, we're going to need some of your help, designing the rafter system, the truss systems. Before we proceed, this turned out to be the easiest way. So as you can see, we have all the roof lines to guide us. And here we can flip the directions to make the regular trusses a little bit, in the right directions, right? So this looks fine, and I'll go ahead and hit the continue button. This will basically prompt the system to start exploring different design options for the structure underneath. This should be a very straightforward project. It shouldn't take very long for you to generate. And let me report back once the generation is complete. All right, let's take a look at what the AI has generated. So this is one of the options that AI has suggested. As before, you'll be able to look at all different design options by clicking the option sections on the top left corner. And you'll be able to, as before, modify any of these and then inspect the generated design and 3D model, right? So in this case, we're able to show you, the shear wall designs, beams, foundation design, etc. Right? And as before, you can click on the export button that will, let you download a package which contains um, both the which contains the structural drawing and the calculation report. So this is a structural drawing in DWG format, very easy to use. And also, this is the calculation report as before, right? So it contains the same design basis, vertical load distributions, lateral, et cetera, right? So this completes our demo using Revit input format. Thank you so much for your interest in Genia. And as before, we welcome any feedback from you all. Thank you so much.